What's up? This is Clay, this is Trey, and we're here making the basic bulk.
Today, we're teaching you how to make hard-boiled eggs in 5 basic steps. First thing you gotta do is wash your hands. Don't be filthy. Next, get yourself some cold water in a nice pot, ready to be boiled.
Make sure that pot's nice and round to fit all our eggs.
Try to get something round if you can. Next thing you need some eggs. We got 6 eggs here. It's a half dozen for your kids at home. Check the egg.
Gotta make sure they're proper eggs.
Check it out, Clay.
Yeah, let's check this egg out. Make sure it's good.
And you don't want to use hot water, because if you use hot water,
Yeah, that's a good egg.
you're trying to put the egg in the hot water, you end up dropping it, you crack the egg, then you got no hard-boiled eggs. It's a bad day.
One good egg, they're all good.
These are all good. We know for sure.
You can't have one bad egg in a batch, or they're all bad. It's that simple.
Doesn't happen.
So we're on step 2, putting the cold water in. Let's move on.
Next step, we're gonna put this on the burner, let it get to a boil.
Let's get this. So we got.
Okay, once you're on your way to step number 3, you got your water heating up. This is real crucial. Come on in here, Clay. You can see we're getting this to a boil. Some small bubbles are starting to form, but once it really starts boiling, you're gonna wanna turn the heat off immediately, because if it boils too much with the eggs in there, they're gonna crack. We're giving you the pro tips to making hard-boiled eggs.
Oh, what's up, Trey? Now we're on step number 3, the broil and the wait. Now that our eggs are at a nice boil, we're gonna have to turn it off immediately. You're gonna wanna wait 30, 40 minutes on the high end to play it safe to get the perfect egg.
All right, this is step 4. Now we've been waiting. The eggs have been boiling. It's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna drain the water out, and then we're gonna start cracking the eggs. So I'm gonna come over here. Don't let the eggs fall out. Get all this water out. Now we got our eggs in there. And this is the pro tip to get the cracking process started. Lid back on. Give it lid off.
Starting to crack, but you should actually keep going.
Alright, for step number 5, you're gonna end up peeling the rest of the eggshell. And then you're gonna have some good cooked hard-boiled eggs.
And that's how you make the perfect egg. Hard boiled.
So now that you know, don't end up hardly boiled. Get exactly what you need. And don't end up half cracked.